Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Lens of Truth, with me, Ivan Florentino. And for today's video, here is a drawing of Tails Miles Prower from Sonic the Hedgehog. But before we get started, consider hitting the like button, ringing the bell, and leaving a comment. So, let's get to it. So I finally finished editing this Tails drawing that I did months ago. I hadn't touched it in so long and I decided to finally finish it. I have a few others that I have uploaded, like Shadow and Amy, but I will be uploading Sonic and Knuckles as well. But here is Tails. This is actually one of my favorite poses and drawings that I did during a live stream. And this version is the simplistic style that you have probably already seen from the intro cutscene from Sonic Mania and the style from Sonic Origins and even Sonic CD. Very simplified but still full of personality. I do enjoy the way that Tails is looking back as he's flying upward, and I used a light 2B pencil with not a lot of pressure so that I'm able to easily erase. And with a lot of my style that I do, I like using my Micron or Faber-Castell ink pens for those nice black outlines and some action lines as well. And then finally, right on top, the color pencils. So here you see me adding a base color of orange, then adding a bit of dark red, dark orange, browns and blacks for the shadows inside of the spinning tail, and then at the very end going back and adding more and more richer pigments of different oranges on top, and finally blending everything together with a colorless blender. So hopefully you enjoyed this time-lapse video of Tails, and comment down in the section below what you think, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.